What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Toki from the top of the world. If you can see, I got my new trucker hats in. If you guys are interested, I'm selling it as a shirt, hat, and sticker, or hat, shirt, and sticker for $60. Free shipping. Regardless, it's the same. Today's video, we're going to be checking out a $100 sponsorship from Kenji Boss, CEO of autobosslvl. Through the Fishing for Salmon in Alaska fundraiser, he bought a t-shirt and also donated $100. And what I did with the $100 was I used it to buy some tackle, some fishing line, and some fishing accessories. Let's take a look, guys. Shoutouts to Kenji Boss from autobosslvl. Thank you so much for supporting my cause.